You don't need personal collateral to be able to buy a business. We hear from brokers and other advisors and some even bankers that you need to have a lot of personal collateral to be able to go and buy a small business. And we just want to say that's just not true. So specifically in the SBA guidelines, they say that banks are not supposed to decline borrowers because of a lack of personal collateral. With that said, the majority of banks still do decline loans based off personal collateral. So the majority of lenders out there still do look at personal collateral and have personal collateral requirements. Now, the good thing about that word is the majority is not all, and you only need one bank to do your deal. So through our SBA loan platform, we have about 20 lenders that we work with, but we have about 3 that don't look at personal collateral at all, don't take it into account. A lot of the others do. So we'll say we end up doing a lot of deals with those 3 and not a lot with the other 17. So we have no problem at all getting loans done with people with zero collateral. We have people that live in apartments with no personal assets that have gotten multi-million-dollar loans to go and buy a business. So what you do need though is skills. So you need to be able to prove that you have the ability to run this business. If it's an HVAC company, you should have some experience in HVAC. If it's plumbing, you should have some experience in plumbing. So some industry experience, some managerial experience. You can have, some relevant experience in a different industry that can cross over, but you're going to need to demonstrate that you can actually run this business. You're going to need to have okay credit. It doesn't need to be great. The required credit score is only 680. You can even get your deal done most of the time if you have bankruptcy on your record. Typically though, if you have more than one bankruptcy, that's where most lenders draw the line. But your credit doesn't need to be perfect. And of course, one of the other biggest factors other than your skills is going to be the business needs to generate enough cash to pay back the loan. So if you're looking at businesses, you can use our debt service coverage ratio calculator. Links in the comments. You can run your deals through that. It'll tell you if it will qualify for SBA lending. And if you have trouble getting a loan because of personal collateral, reach out, we can help.